people friends. Buddy, Friday was a busy, busy day. Me and Dad went a-shopping, and now I'm all ready for Christmas time, which puts me in the Christmas spirit. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way, ha ha ha. Bet you're singing it now. Love me, Peanut, the Wonder Dog. Share the happy people, friends.